So since we're not doing rules anymore and nothing fucking matters, I have called this town meeting to resurrect a claim I made back in 2023 when I declared my campaign to merge the 46th and 48th wards of Chicago, which were up for re-election, creating the 69th ward with the motto, nice, establishing myself as alderman. You can Google all this later. And since all due process is now fucking pirate rules thanks to trickle-down politics, which is totally a real thing that totally exists, I am officially declaring myself Lord of the 69th Viscount of Uptown, King of the North. Tremble, bitches. I'm the captain now. You're gonna need to stock up in chapstick and the amount of ass kissing you're gonna have to do to keep me appeased. All town meetings shall take place in a hot tub. Oh, you don't see one? Get digging, peasants. All meals are now snacks. Malort is free. Hot cheese is currency. And business hours are from noon 30 to 3 p.m., no exceptions. Pre-gaming starts now. Anyone not raising a drink will spend a year in the nacho mines. Time zones are stupid. Gravity is a suggestion. Shrimp po' boys are mandatory. Your resistance is futile. Bow before me, you mighty and to spare. Or we can remember that we have rules for a reason. Trickle-down politics is not a fucking thing. And those fuckers are what they are. A bunch of pirates that can kiss my booty. Meeting adjourned. Yeah!